Well, I got cut off because someone tried to call me. So here's this is how we found the circuits.
Right.
Laying on the floor.
Right.
Unprotected. We put them in the boxes. So that is our work. The rest of it is just how this place was left. And there's a 220 right there.
Right.
The main cable supply is coming right across the attic door, which is illegal. Any box you see put on a stud right here is work we've done, because the previous guys didn't do any of that. So
I know we got probably 20 feet, 25. I'm going in there. There's a lot of loose wires up above the master.
from there. So where are these coming from?
These all come from the panels.
So they're coming back around here, and they were just laying up here.
Correct.
But there's still a bunch more.
There's still a bunch more right like 20 feet.
Wow.
I gotta go